How to build wealth in 2023. The world is witnessing a massive shift in wealth due to changes in national and global economies. If you're looking toward boosting your net worth and improving your financial situation in 2023, the time to start is now. So stay tuned for the top 5 most effective ways which can help you build wealth successfully. 5. Financial education. The first step to building wealth in 2023 is to get financial education. This is because building wealth is directly proportional to the knowledge you have. According to reports from the Global Financial Literacy Center, those who have financial education typically have greater levels of financial literacy. The knowledge you acquire will help you properly navigate financial difficulties and ultimately build wealth. 4. Get professional help. Good wealth building strategies don't fit everyone the same way. Your situation is probably very different from that of a shipping tycoon or a third-generation farmer with a sizable land holding. To appropriately match your situation with the finest financial strategy, you could speak to people who are experts in the field. As an alternative, if your present financial situation doesn't provide you with the means to speak to an expert, you can develop your own financial expertise. There is a lot of cost-free, reliable resources where you can gain knowledge on financial literacy. 3. Having a plan. Building wealth can be difficult unless you have a clear objective in mind. If you don't know where you're heading, all you are doing is hopping from one spot to another. Your goals can help you plan carefully how you can achieve your financial dreams. Whether you're dreaming of becoming a millionaire or just to be someone who has enough money so they can have more time, you need to evaluate where you are currently and plan on how to reach your goal. The first step in your plan should be figuring out how to clear your current debts, if you have any, and prevent future debts. Make a plan to figure out how to pay off your current debts, but more importantly, you need to create an emergency fund to cover unforeseen expenses that can lead you to debt and set back your wealth building efforts. 2. Savings and budgets. After figuring out your plan, the next essential stage to building wealth is saving money. Once you have your plans and goals, it becomes easier to set some money aside in savings. After covering your essential expenses, the next best thing you can do is save some of your money. Keep in mind that frequent tiny savings can add up over time. Saving money can take many different shapes, but the first place to start is by setting boundaries with yourself. You need to be honest with yourself about your spending habits and the areas where you are susceptible to temptation in order to establish those boundaries. Sometimes all it takes is tracking your expenditures to identify areas where things are going out of control. To help with this, you can create a monthly or annual budget. Having a budget will provide you with an overview of your spending and highlight areas where you can make savings. The most successful budgeting strategy adopted by many people and recommended by experts is the 50/30/20 rule. According to this approach, 50% of your income should be allocated to necessities like housing, food, and medical care. A 30% allocation is used for luxury pursuits and non-essentials like shopping. The most crucial allocation, which should go to savings, is the remaining 20%. 1. Make your money work for you. This is the final and most crucial step to building wealth. You might not have as much money as you'd like, but you need to put some of the money you have to work for you while you go out there to work for more. There are so many ways to do this, but let's look at 2 of the most time-proven methods. Investing in the stock market. Investing a lot of money in the stock market is one of the finest methods to become really wealthy. Owning stock in a firm allows you to profit since that company, in turn, generates income for its owners. The stock market can be risky, but there are a lot of low risks and low fees options you can explore. You can also talk with your financial expert, as we mentioned earlier, or research ways on how to successfully invest in the stock market. Real estate. Although real estate investing is not for everyone, it has significantly aided many people in achieving financial success. While investing in real estate won't make you rich overnight, it can dramatically boost your net worth faster than many other conventional assets. There are several techniques you can explore, such as purchasing and selling undeveloped property, renting out apartments and flipping houses. If you make the right real estate investments and manage them appropriately, you can eventually considerably improve your financial situation. Even after learning all of these powerful tips I've just taught you, you still not know everything about saving money. Believe it or not, more informations you need are in this video right here. What are your financial goals and plans for 2023? Comment below.